Hello, explorer. Right now, while you're sitting still, Earth is moving. It is spinning around its own axis, while also traveling around the Sun. These movements are happening continuously. Earth has two incredible motions happening at the same time. It spins on its axis, that's rotation, while it travels around the Sun, which we call revolution. And they shape some of the most familiar parts of our lives. Let's start with Earth's rotation. Rotation means spinning around an axis. Earth's axis is an imaginary line running from the North Pole to the South Pole. Earth completes one rotation in roughly 24 hours, and that daily rotation gives us the cycle of day and night. One complete rotation takes about 24 hours, and that is what we call one day. Think of Earth as a globe turning in front of a lamp. The lamp represents the sun. As Earth rotates, one side faces the sunlight, while the other side turns away from it. The illuminated side experiences day, while the darker side experiences night. So one rotation of Earth takes about 24 hours, giving us one complete day and night cycle. But Earth's movement doesn't stop with rotation. While Earth spins, it is also traveling around the sun. But Earth isn't only spinning. At the same time, it is traveling around the sun. This movement is called revolution. One complete revolution takes about 365 and a quarter days. That is the basic length of an Earth year. Earth's path around the sun isn't a perfect circle. It is slightly elliptical. The sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit, while Earth's forward motion keeps it traveling along that path. So Earth is constantly moving through space rather than simply sitting beside the sun. So, rotation is Earth spinning on its axis, giving us day and night in about 24 hours. Revolution is Earth's journey around the sun, taking about 365 days. And with Earth's tilt, that journey helps create the seasons. Now we come to one of the most important details. Earth's axis is tilted. It leans about 23.4 degrees compared with the plane of Earth's orbit. As Earth travels around the sun, this tilt stays pointed in nearly the same direction. That changes how sunlight reaches the northern and southern hemispheres. And this is what creates our seasons. The important thing is the combination of Earth's tilt and its revolution around the sun. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, sunlight reaches it more directly. This contributes to warmer conditions and longer days during its summer. At the same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. About 6 months later, the situation reverses. The southern hemisphere receives more direct sunlight, while the northern hemisphere experiences winter. Now, there's a common misconception about all of this. Many people think summer happens because Earth is much closer to the sun. But that isn't the main reason. Earth's axial tilt changes the angle and amount of sunlight each hemisphere receives. So if Earth is constantly moving, why don't we feel it? Because we are moving with it. The atmosphere, oceans, buildings, and everything around us are traveling along with Earth. It's similar to sitting inside a smoothly moving vehicle. You notice sudden changes in motion much more easily than steady motion. So even when you feel completely still, you're actually traveling with Earth through space. So Earth is doing much more than simply giving us a place to live. It is rotating on its axis, revolving around the sun and carrying everything on its surface along with it. These movements create the rhythm of our days, years, and seasons. Earth may feel completely still beneath our feet, but from space, it is always on the move. And that's what makes our planet so fascinating. The next time you watch a sunrise or feel the change of a season, remember, you're experiencing the movement of an entire planet. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep exploring with iThinkVista.